Hello everyone, my name is Grégoire Poussolo and I'm working at the Low-Tech Lab Grenoble. It's a non-profit organization working on appropriate technologies. I'm very glad to present you the Full-B project, a B-energy oven that can run with solar energy and wood energy. This project has been in collaboration with Lightfire and Grenoble INP Engineering School. The CNRS Promise Laboratory helped us financially with this presentation. Eventually, we were inspired by the Oxalis work. So thank you to those 4 companies and institutions. This B-energy oven idea came up with a genuine need while working with bakers interested by the Lightfire technology. I understood that bakers deeply wish to commit into solar energy, but they do not want to run on a weather-dependent business. They need more flexibility, and they want to earn money whether the sun is shining or not. One person asked me once if there exists such an oven that can run with both wood and solar energy. I didn't find any information for professional ovens. Therefore, I decided to launch a research on this topic. The need is obvious and the development seems reachable. A collaboration started with an engineering school in Grenoble for the conception. Plus, Lightfire helped us to start the design. For the conception, we decided to start from the Lightfire oven. This oven is validated by solar bakers, so it works well with solar energy. Thus, the question is how to adjust the oven to the energy flow of a burning fire. Because to use a burning fire, it is common to have a big thermal mass in the oven. However, a big thermal mass is not appropriate for a solar oven. With students, we had the idea of a drawer that received the flame and the smokes. This drawer would be at the bottom of the oven. The drawer has obstacles to increase the time and the path of the exhaust smokes. In that sense, the food doesn't see the flames or the smokes. The drawer just exchanges the heat from the smokes to transfer it to the cooking area. Summer 2025, we started to prototype the Full-B. We built a Lightfire oven and cut it to insert the fire module. On this first picture, you can see the heat exchanger that sees the flames and receives the smokes. During the manufacturing, we care to optimize the heat transfer, hence the obstacles and the fins. On the second picture, you see the heat exchanger assembled with the rocket stove. The rocket stove, in green, has been developed by Oxalis organization. It is an open source common we do promote. It doesn't consume that much, it produces few smokes, and it reaches high temperatures. On the right-hand picture, you see the overall assembled Full-B, without any solar concentrator. My friend Kevin is looking inside to see the reaction of the metal sheet. The first try was rather conclusive, 290 Celsius degrees, in just 1 hour after ignition. The heat transfer is good enough. Some smoke-proofness is to perform though. The Full-B has been tested in solar mode with a Lightfire concentrator. The thermal leakage through the heat exchanger doesn't seem to influence that much the thermal balance. No data has been recorded yet. The next steps of the experiment are exposed here. Soon, we will use the oven with a professional baker to use a full batch to bake bread in wood energy mode. All this work is developed in open source. The right license hasn't been chosen yet, but it is to come to protect fairly this work. A documentation will be done on our wiki platform in order to promote this design and helps artisans and professionals to shift to solar energy. A long-term and intensive use will tell us the durability of the steel material in the heat exchanger. Eventually, the final goal of the organization is to organize trainings and workshops to help people to build by themselves their own Full-B. Thank you for your attention, and please do not hesitate to ask any questions.